Good morning to one and all. I am Bhavna from the South Public School. I am here to present my topic, Teacher as a Catalyst in Post-Pandemic Situation. Ralph Waldo Emerson once stated that what lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. And the wisdom of his words has never faded. It has also continued to reveal another outstanding yet simple truth. Teachers are the only ones who can use their ability. It is at this level of self-realization that the role of a teacher can work wonders in terms of teacher-learner development and furthermore in terms of long-term human growth for both. Teachers have an awesome responsibilities. They will be the ones to plant a series of hope, success, happiness, faith, enthusiasm, to seed, to water and fertilize to the seeds and even add a few more. By the end of the school, the crops will be ready for harvesting and harvesting to the degree and in amount expected as a result of a teacher acting as a catalyst throughout. I thanks to the organizers to introduce this topic because teacher is very important person in any individual's life and the role of a teacher is changing with the fast changing world. Tony Robbins once stated that change is inevitable, but progress is optional. Change is lifelong process. It is one of the constant thing on earth. Teacher must be adaptive to change in order to grow and survive in the fast changing world. Continuous world is needed for improvement of teaching learning process. Teachers have a wide range of roles to handle the class in terms of supporting students and accomplishing their own responsibilities. Additionally, the role of a teacher may change due to many factors such as methodological development and technological innovations. With the current changes, it seems that teachers play the role of a catalyst by supporting and motivating the students. They are the ones who nourish the child for a better future. What is a catalyst teacher? A catalyst teacher is a person causing a change. Catalyst teacher aims to advance inclusive and quality education to all. Catalyst teacher increases the rate of learning. The responsibility of teacher will change when students will come back to school after pandemic. As an educational system, we must jump ahead and prepare for learning post-COVID-19. A new critical role, educators must embrace, serve themselves and their learners during this uncertain time. Because teaching is more than a job, it is a desire. After coming back to school, students' experiences of pandemic will be very varied. Some of them will feel safe, for some it's a challenging or even traumatic. Here, the role of a catalyst teacher is to support their pupils to face these challenges in real life. Supporting your pupils during and after pandemic will draw on many of the skills which you use day to day to provide emotional, academic advices and guidance. Two things to keep in mind. One size will not fit to all. Different pupils within the same classes will have very different experiences of pandemic. They will also have varying level of coping, stress, and resilience in dealing with those experiences. Having an open mind about what pupil may be going through, how they will be coping with it, and what supports they need will be important. The second thing is that some of the challenges facing by you as a teacher may feel overwhelming, but others, teacher will help you. Because dealing with the students after pandemic, it is not any individual task, it's a teamwork. It is very important that the students should feel safe from the physical and emotional aspects in improving their ability to learn. Catalyst teachers will open the door to the world for the students. This is how teachers can be helpful. Teachers have seen, done, and learned things which students don't know or understand. Catalyst teachers will help students to understand and calm their fear. They will point out where and where to be cautious. But after the teacher has taught, students have to actually go out and do it. The teachers had opened the door, but only the pupils can take the step through the door. Educators must be future focused. It's need to accelerate the learning. I will look at one of the model, Bloom's taxonomy, and discover how useful it is in learning. Bloom taxonomy is a framework designed for educational achievement to which each level depends on one below it. It's often portrayed in the form of pyramid. The original intention of taxonomy was to serve as an assessment tool. It becomes very effective tool for the educators, identify clear learning objectives, build curricula, as well as to create purposeful learning activities in the classroom. According to the changing time, the updated or the revised version is designed to reflect the ways in which it was being used in the modern day. As any good copywriter will tell you that verbs are more effective than nouns. In the revised Bloom taxonomy, nouns were replaced by much more action-oriented verbs to reflect the idea that the learning is not just passive inquisition, but engaged active participation. As the educator, we can teach the content outlined in our curricula, but academic standards, while simultaneously helping learners to develop the required skills of modern learners. Since these are the uncertain times, teacher can take the opportunity to practice project learning or student-centered learning approach, or I could say that learning by doing or hands-on learning method. Teachers' role became crucial as for making sure that learners should stay engaged and do not lose their motivation. Teaching and learning are the process which is interwoven. Catalyst educators must embrace discovery learning. They will focus on the concept of instrumentalism, which means to learn not only by theory but also by practice. Educators must enhance instruction with real-world meaning. One of the essential use of information is in solving real-world problem and creating something new or better. Here, teachers play the role of a problem solver to the students. In this pandemic period, teacher is no less than a superhero. It is not always necessary that superhero should wear super suit or superhero should wear superhero suit always. We can be superhero in other ways. Sacrifice, determination, patience, courage, dedication, selfless, perseverance are these common qualities portrayed by the teachers are attributed to the superhero. Catalyst teachers considered to be one of the nation builder, dynamic force that motivates everyone to be a responsible, productive citizen. To become teachers works as a manipulator who instill in their learners, I think I can philosophy. I like to conclude here by saying this omnipresent and omniscient teachers must quote by Rabindranath Tagore as keep the windows of the mind open so as to ensure that all students hold their head high with a mind without fear. The task, though it is difficult, is surely not impossible. Thank you very much.